Good morning all are welcome to our college Sharad Institute of Technology Polytechnic at Rao Department of Information Technology. On today's lecture start 35th lecture on course that is data structure using C. Here vision mission of departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. To build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed personal ethics in social responsibilities in students for society and environment. After the completion of unit number 3, you achieve third CO, implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. The syllabus for unit number 3. Okay, in their total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. In this lecture, we continue the next types of queue with operations, which third, priority queue. Concept of priority queue. Syllabus for only for concept of priority queue. Okay, so not need to the program also study, but in case anytime ask the question, so that also prepare it. But 99% is asked only for concept of priority queue. Okay, explain priority queue. That's like, or either operations or their representation. That's like, okay. The priority queue is collection of elements in which each element is arranged in a queue based on this priority. Priority is what is indicate that. Okay, using priority through you will be data is or your elements on that data on that queue are operations are performed on it. Okay, means what? Using through priority through on that elements of that queue the operations are performed. A priority queue is a collection of elements that such that each element has been assigned a priority value, such that the order in which elements are deleted and processed comes from the following rules. Okay, which are the rules? First, an elements of higher priority is processed before any elements of the lower priority. Okay, what is the first rule? Any higher priority will be enter on that queue that will be first processed before their lower priority. Okay, so in that name is indicate that priority queue, which is the highest priority, that will be processed first. Two elements with the same priority are processed according to the order in which they were added to the queue. Okay, when same priority any two data are entered on that queue, that time check which data will be first that entered. Okay, which order that check the according to order through. Okay, two data are not possible to at a time are come on that queue. Okay, in that order will be possible first, second. Okay, which are the come first, that will be executed the first, or operations are performed on that data. In figure shows that the priority queue. Okay, priority queue can be represented using heaps. Heaps means in short the tree like. Okay, parent tree, their child, etc. That's like a heap node contains the value in every node is at least large as the values in the child node. Okay, means what is the priority queue? Okay, in that these are the values. Okay, these are 0 priority value, first priority value, 2 priority value. Okay, in that said as the every node at least large value in the child node. Okay, these are the this node is the child of this node. Okay, those are child node of this node. Okay, there is no child node. Okay, in that set as the at least large value. Okay, large value as compared to their parent value. In that set that in a priority queue, and that assumptions in that set as the 50 and 60 is the highest priority, after that 10, 20, 30 is the next priority, and 88 is the last priority. In a priority queue, elements are inserted as per their priority level, and when remove a node with the highest priority must be removed first. Okay, in that side as the priority queue elements are inserted their priority level through, okay, which first, second, that's like. And when remove it, also this the highest priority must be removed first. When all elements with the highest priority are removed, it removes nodes with the next higher priority, okay. Means all are the highest priority are removed, then also their next higher priority, means the priority that higher priority is removed, that then automatically all that elements will be next higher priority will be removed. Means for first of all, first higher priority will be removed, after that second priority second priority will be removed, this like. In that said as all elements with higher priority, means one priority level are 3 elements are there, then 3 elements are firstly removed, after that next remove the nodes with the next priority level. Next priority level is 2, in that under 2 data members are there, that 2 data members, that members will be or data will be removed, that's like. Okay, example is that a real world example of priority queue is a hospital, okay. For example, in an emergency room, you will know that see patients in a priority queue order, okay. The patient with the most severe injuries see the doctor first, okay. Guaranteeing seniors go to the head of the waiting list, means priority queue, when trying to the register for the classes that are full, okay. In figure that shows that, okay, that in this queue elements is arranged in a queue based on the priority. There are 2 types of priority queues. First is the ascending priority queue, second is the descending priority queue. Ascending priority queue in under is a type of priority queue in which the elements can be inserted arbitrarily, but only smallest element will gets removed first, okay. In that said as the ascending priority means what, in that types of queue which elements can be inserted is arbitrary, means no any sequence or no any priority or added, okay. Freely that are will be inserted, but that removed only for first smallest number will be removed first, that's like. Descending priority queue, okay, this is the opposite, is type of priority queue in which elements can be inserted arbitrarily, but only largest element will be removed first, okay. Applications of priority queue. Which are the applications of priority queue? First, to find kth largest element, okay, to find the kth largest, biggest or largest element in the list of the elements, a priority queue can be maintained to indicate their corresponding degree, and the required element can be directly picked up, okay. For example, you find the kth largest element, okay, that it is possible because it is a priority queue, so directly said as the, for example, 5th largest queue, means automatically that 5th largest element will be displayed, okay, or directly you picked up. So it is one type of applications of priority queue. For that, sorting, some sorting techniques are priority queue are implementing for sorting, means for in the ascending order, descending order, that's like the sorting will be also possible using priority, means priority through arranged in a order, okay, in a ascending or descending, that's like. After that, event simulation. A simulation consists of processing event. The events with priority levels are loaded onto a priority queue and processed as per their priorities, okay. In the same set as the, okay, any events that means that added in a priority levels, loaded, added, but that's are processed as per their priorities. After that, job scheduling, it is the important in under the operating system of your computer system. In applications of job scheduling, jobs with the priorities are entered into the queue, and the job with highest priority is chosen for execution. Okay, means what? For example, job means you imagine that one type of task, okay. In the applications of, okay, in that tasks are added into that queue, okay. Which are the job or which are the task is highest priority, that will be first choose for the execution, okay. It is the most important, is used in a operating system, okay. In a computer, which are the priority is highest for that task, that will be run firstly. Generally, the priority queue is applicable when the process is allocated with the help of the operating system. Clear that? means in operating system is most useful. Process scheduling, priority queue is used. Okay, means you schedule the process. Okay, which process is ready for execution, that process will be firstly run, means that give the scheduling, okay, your time slot, okay, or give the priority, that priority wise that process will be executed. Next point, operations on priority queue. Priority queue can be maintained in other ways also, but here we are taking linked list representation. In a linked list representation, each node contains the 3 values. Linked list is a one type of data structure. Okay, in that 3 values, which are the 3 values? Information, okay, or information field, after that priority, after that link. Information field or data item, priority, and link or pointer field, whatever you say that. After that, in a C language, how to that will be represented in a priority queue. First of all, structure will be taken. Structure node is the structure name. There after that, there are the data members of that structure. Information, priority, and link. Next link means the address of the next node, address of the next element. Okay, that said as the operations on priority queue. Okay, in that said as the how to that linked list to represent the data. The operations performed in a queue are similar to the queue except the operations performed in a queue are similar to the queue except that the insertion and deletion elements made in it. Okay, operations means obviously insertion and deletion operation performed on that queue. First, insertion operation. Elements can be inserted in any order but are arranged in order of their priority value in the queue. For example, in that figure shows that this is the 1, N1, N2, N3. Okay, these are the number 1, 2, 3. In that 3 fields are there. First is the value, priority, and link. Link means address of the next node. Okay, first of all, this is the priority first, second, third. Sorry, this is the 4. So it will be that arranged in a priority level. Suppose one want to add the new node. Okay, N4. Having the priority is 5, which will be shown in a below figure. Okay, that will be added. Where that will be added? In a last, because their priority is 5th. Since new node has the priority 5, then they insert the node at the end existing queue as the priority is less compared to the existing elements. Okay, delete operation. The elements are deleted from the queue in the order of their priority. The highest priority elements removed first. The elements with the same priority are given equal to importance and processed accordingly. Okay, in that said that how to that remove that. Okay, means in that said that which are the highest priority, that will be removed first. Okay, but in the same priority, then both are both are equal importance, and in that check the process accordingly. For example, suppose we have list the priority queue. In that these are the numbers that shows the we delete the node. Okay, which are the first priority? This is the first priority is 20, so 20 will be removed. In that shows that 20 will be removed. Next, representation of priority queue. Okay. A priority queue can be implemented dynamically in 2 ways. Ordered list implementation and unordered list implementation. In that first ordered list implementation, in this method the elements are added to the list in such a way that the list is in a sorted order. Okay, when means what, in this order added the any element in that list, they will be in a sorted order. When an element is to be added to the priority queue, it is inserted in its correct position in the queue. For deletion, the first element means which are the smallest element is removed. For example, front and rear will be the null. Okay, add 10. After that, add 5. 5 is the smaller as compared to 10. In that said as the in a sorted order. Okay, in sorted order through will be data will be added. Okay, and when we data will be added, that time their insertion is in their correct position. Okay, their correct position is the first position, so automatically that 5 will be added. Okay, and removed, first location means smallest number will be removed. Add 20 will be added. Add 15 automatically in a sorting through, that will be added. Okay, these are the ordered list implementation. The unordered list implementation, in this method of implementation, elements are added to the rear of the queue. Okay, this is a simple insertion process. The insertion is not dependent on sorted order. It means it is the opposite for that ordered and unordered. Ordered means in a ordered through data will be added. Unordered means in that no any sorted the order. Means in that no any order. Okay, this word is indicate that insertion is not depend on sorted order. The deletion is entire list has to be examined in order to find the smallest element, which is then removed from the list. Okay, means so in that first we find the which are the smallest number and that will be removed. But in that ordered list, first element will be removed because it is in a ordered list. In a sorted list, automatically that will be data are added. Okay, so there front and rear is equal to null. Okay, add 10 will be added. Add 5, automatically that next node, okay, is added. Next element in this front, it is the rear. Added 20 and again 20. Okay, delete. Okay, you delete it. Okay, in that delete smallest number. Okay, smallest number where there in that not a 10, in that printing mistake there, in that 5 are there. Okay, 5 is automatically delete, so automatically that first node is connected with the last element, means next element. Clear that? At the time of deletion, the smallest element is deleted from the list. Okay, in that order list, data will be sorted in added in the sorted wise. Okay, so automatically first element will be removed. In that unordered list, the data is not added in any sorted. How to come that time to add it one by one. Okay, and when we delete the operation perform, then automatically the smallest number which are there that are deleted. Okay, and that pointer address is automatically connected to the next node. Okay. Summary on today's lecture, in that types of queue with operations in under third point, priority queue is studied. Okay, this is point is a maximum question is asked only for explain the priority queue. Okay, not any ask the program or whatever. Okay, in that syllabus only for said as the concept of priority queue. In that said as the priority syllabus is the concept of priority queue, means you clear the concept of priority queue, means how to elements are added, removed. Okay, how to priority wise, how to data are added, removed. That's like, okay. In case no any ask the question is also in the concept of priority queue, but in case ask that, with that take on that points. Homework for you, continue the assignment number 3. Some questions are there that are completed it. Yes, stop on today's lecture. In these points any doubts arise, then contact with me. Thank you.